at the supermarket. Okay, so the role play setting will be at the restaurant and at the supermarket. All right, let's wait a little bit since Kim, I think, uh, she's in the bathroom. Okay, let's wait a little bit.
Uh,
Ah, yeah, Kim is not yet here, so let's wait for her. All right. Okay. Oh, by the way, Mary, while waiting, can you tell me the ages of your children?
um, can you speak again?
Okay. The age of your children, are they all boys or all girls?
There are 4 children.
Okay, there are four. Now, how old is the eldest?
Um, they are el- um 15 là uh,
Eldest. How
um,
old?
sorry, uh, 13, 13,
Thir 13.
ele-
The next
11, and
11,
6, and 6,
6.
and 15.
Okay. All right. So you have four children. Okay, thank you, Mary. How about Kim? How many are you in the family?
My
Kim.
family have 3 people.
Mm.
Me, my mom, and my sister. My younger
Uh,
sister.
all right. So you are the eldest.
Yeah,
Uh,
I'm elder sister.
okay, you are the elder sister or the eldest in the family.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. By the way, Deborah is here. Hi, Deborah. Good
Hi,
afternoon.
hi, Coffee.
Hi, Deborah. Is Deborah here?
No, she.
Good afternoon.
Hi. Good afternoon. Can you
Yeah,
switch on your camera? Is it okay to switch on your camera?
I'm sorry. So I'm not feeling access to. So can I attempt? I just listen.
Oh, okay, okay. It's okay. All right. So this is our day six. And day six, we will be having our role play. And at the same time, we are going to review our past lessons. Okay? By the way, everyone, whose turn to pray today before we start the class? Kim Tue, your turn to pray before we start.
Me?
Yeah, it's your turn.
I
Yesterday was
think
Mary.
we need to write in English.
Yeah, you pray in English.
Uh, we will need a bit. We will. Our dear Father, you are my, you are our Lord. I, I and my family and everything, every people in the world love you. I thank you for your love. Thank you for anything you give us in this time. Uh, please stay here with us and give us uh, the smart, the intelligent to learning English to uh, to grow to grow up faster. Uh, thank you for everything. Uh, uh, I give I give you the praise.
In
I pray
name.
in name. Amen.
Amen.
Sorry.
Thank you, Kim. It's okay. It's okay. No worries. Do not worry about that. It's fine. Okay. Oh, by the way, since we're done with that, let's proceed to our lesson proper. Okay. So our lesson proper is let's have our review. Okay. Our review is all about yeah.
Teacher, excuse me.
Hi.
Yesterday you told today Mary will be brave. I looked Mary. She really want to play, but you tell mystery play. So
Okay.
mystery a little surprise.
Okay. Okay. Mary will do the closing prayer. Okay. Before we end, Mary will do the closing prayer. Okay, Mary?
Là tớ tưởng hôm nay Thủy cầu nguyện mà.
Không, hôm nay đến lượt cô.
Papa vừa cầu nguyện mà, sorry.
Okay, class, can you see my screen? Is it visible on your end?
Wait a minute. Yeah,
Can
yes,
you
yes,
see my
I
screen?
can see. Unjump for the pronoun that.
Yeah. This is a review. Okay. Remember the pronoun that we learned last time. Okay, this is just a review. All right. Now let's start with this one. Okay, I want you to unjumble the pronoun. We are going to arrange the letters. Okay, arrange the letters or the words rather. Arrange the words to make it correct. Okay. Arrange. Let's arrange. Okay, I'll give you one example. For example, friend is my she. So what is the... Okay, so we're going to...
Oh, okay.
She is
My
my friend. Okay, this one is correct. Okay? All right. Let's have number two. Number two.
He is happy today.
Hmm?
He is happy today.
Okay, he is happy today. Okay, let's arrange. Okay, let's start with a he. And then next is
Yes.
happy
Next
today.
is happy
And today, he is happy
day.
today. Is this correct?
Yes, correct.
Okay, correct. Number three. Okay, this one I want Kim to answer.
Me? Okay.
Yeah. Your
We
turn.
first is we. Next is play. Next is at.
Okay, at
Next is
the park.
the
Okay, can you
park.
read the sentence?
We play at the park.
Okay, very good, Kim. All right. Next is Mary. Go ahead, Mary.
I like them.
Okay, which one first?
I like them.
Okay. I likes them or I like them. Okay, very good, Mary. Oh, Tue is not here, right? Tue is not here.
Yes.
Tue. Okay. How about Deborah? Deborah, can you do number 5?
Kim?
Okay. Deborah is just listening. All right, Kim, you go ahead for number 5.
They. First
Okay,
day.
they. First day.
Yeah. Wait a minute.
Flying birds.
They bird?
Wait, one moment. They are birds flying. The birds are flying. Sorry, this one is the.
Yeah, I feel something is. I
Wait, one moment. I'm going to correct this, okay? Wait, one moment, class. This one. I will check, okay? Let's check this one.
I
One
think
moment.
something is wrong.
Yeah, something is not right.
Cái câu hồi nãy cô Bình ạ, nó phải là nếu như nó là ở đấy nó là một cái từ liên quan đến dây, nó phải là their birds are flying hoặc là birds are flying chứ không có dây birds are flying được.
Không, ý là
Yeah. The birds are flying. The birds are flying. Yes. Okay, the birds are flying.
đúng rồi, the bird chứ không có dây đúng không?
Yes,
Nó không đúng đúng không?
yes, it's not wrong.
Okay. We will proceed to number 6. It should be the birds are flying. Okay. We will go number 6 instead. Okay, allow me to share my screen again.
Okay,
Okay, Kim, your turn, Kim.
okay. Teacher, I can't see your screen.
Oh, how about this one, Be?
Oh, okay,
There.
okay, I can see now. They help us. Oh no, they always help us. They first,
Okay.
next, always
Always.
help us. Yeah,
Okay, well done. They always help.
us. Is this correct? Or teacher, I can hear your voice.
Not here.
Oh no.
Bạn của cô,
Teacher,
wifi của cô bị đơ rồi.
cô bị đâu? Teacher,
Sao cái màn hình của cô nó cứ bị vành vành lên thế nhỉ?
you are black. Hình như cô đang bị lag. Cô đang bị lag.
Rồi,
No.
rồi.
Lag.
Oh, I'm here. Hi, everyone. Can you hear me
Okay.
now?
Yeah.
The Zoom account crash. Why? Okay.
Everything is crushed. My account Facebook on yesterday is crushed.
Yeah. Okay, so suddenly the Zoom account crashed, so you can't hear my voice. But how about this? Can you confirm? Is my voice okay?
Yes. Okay.
Okay. Oh, Kim, they always help us. What is the pronoun in this sentence?
They and us.
Okay, very good.
They is personal pronoun and us is object pronoun.
Very good. Okay, thank you, Kim. Next is Mary. Mary, number 7.
She has a small office.
What's the first?
She has a small office.
Okay, very good, Mary. What's the pronoun?
She.
She. Okay, well done. Next, Kim.
Okay. Wait, give me a little bit second. A dog play with my ball. It teacher is okay. It is a dog.
No.
It's a dog. Play with my balls. What?
Wait, one moment.
Tưởng phải cần ít ở đây nha. You lost
Place
it
ball with
is a dog play. A dog or dog plays with my ball.
Hmm?
À,
No, that's correct. That's correct.
I it dog.
Let's start with this one. It. You need help.
Is play with it plays. Okay, it plays. Okay, it play ball.
ồ,
It plays my ball with a dog.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I'll give you a second clue. It plays
Oh, it's play ball.
with.
It's play with a ball with my dog.
Mm-hmm. It plays with.
Play with. Yeah, it's play ball with. It's play a ball with my dog.
It plays with with
Huh?
my.
Play with a dog.
Oh, wait. Can
Play
you
with
say it again? What's your answer again? It plays with.
it plays a ball with my dog.
Okay, it plays ball with my dog. Okay, let's remove this one. This is not included. Okay. Okay, everything crashed, but this one is correct. It plays ball
Play
with
ball
my.
with my dog.
Okay, remove this one. This one is correct. It plays ball with my
Dog.
dog. Okay, thank you, Kim. Another, Mary.
Cứ đến cái của con thì lại khó hơn của cô Mary vậy.
à,
Chơi cho nó.
I study
Okay, I study.
classmates là cũng là bạn cùng lớp mà sao lại I study with my friends with my friend. Oh, teacher, my
Yes.
the same classmates right,
Oh,
right.
okay. What's your answer? Can you give me the full sentence?
My friends the same classmates right.
Oh, no. Your friends, classmates. For example, you have a friend. Wait.
And on
For
your classmate.
example, Kim is your friend. Kim has a classmates. Okay, so you study with your friends, classmates. Okay? Kim has classmates, so you study with her classmates because Kim is your friend.
I study with my friend or I study
Classmates.
with my classmates.
Classmates. So that's correct. That's a correct sentence. I study with my friends' classmates. Okay? So friends, classmates, because this is two. All right? Friends, classmates. All right? If I'm going to put it in, let's say, your
Ah,
friend is
I
Tue and Kim. Okay? Your friend is Tue and Kim, so they are your friends. Now, Kim and Tue, they are studying in college, in a university, and they have classmates. So that is your friend's classmates.
Là sao ạ Thủy?
ý là cái kiểu cái từ friend và classmate ở đây nó đi cùng nhau được vì nó hỗ trợ nghĩa nhau sao cho hiểu như thế. Teacher, can I use I go to the restaurant to eat
Gắn
with my friend cooker. Can I use
Yeah,
that?
you can
My
use
friend
that.
is a cooker in this restaurant. My friend.
Oh, My friend is a chef in this restaurant.
Okay, my friend chef.
Yeah. My friend's chef. I'm going to write. Okay, one moment. My friend is a chef in this restaurant. There. Chef. Is that correct?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Now let's have the last sentence. Okay, but this one, Mary is correct. Okay, this.
Mary đúng không? Chị.
Yes, it's Mary.
Mary.
Okay. Wait for me. They they are kind and helpful.
Very good. So you start with they. This one, they are kind.
And kind. Okay.
Okay. Or helpful and kind. It's okay. Helpful and kind. Wait. Helpful and kind. You can also say they are helpful and kind, or they are kind and helpful. That's correct. Okay. Thank you, Mary. Thank you, Kim. All right. Sorry about earlier. I was not able to check that one. Okay. Now, next review. Let's proceed to our next review. Next review is, can you see my screen?
Yes, we see the screen.
Can you still see my screen? Let's have this one. Okay. You remember the vocabulary and phrasal verbs that we have learned last time?
Là gì nhỉ? Phrasal verb.
Phrasal verbs and vocabulary. Remember that? Okay. Right. All right. Okay, there. Remember the phrasal verbs that we've learned? Okay, Kim Tue. Okay, let's
Yes.
start. Okay, let's start. Okay. These are the
Vocabulary.
What's the answer? To
Begin a
begin a
or
journey.
something to start.
No.
Figure out.
Set up.
Huh?
What's the
Set-
correct and what's the correct answer? What's the correct answer?
Oh, wait a minute.
This was our lesson last time.
Set up.
Okay, which one is correct?
Set off.
Set off. Okay, let's to begin a journey. To begin a journey, set off. Okay, how about this one?
Or to carefully think about something before making a decision. Ponder.
Okay.
What?
Why is it wrong? This is correct. Right.
To
Okay.
stop or bring something to an end.
Nhưng quên hết kiến thức rồi.
Oh, this one is
Cease.
Okay. This is correct. I was not able to change the X. It should be checked. Okay, it should be checked. Let's show the answers. Okay, one moment. Set off. Oh no, this is not. Sorry. This is not. One moment. Why is this like this? Wait, everything crashed. Hold on. Everything crashed on my end. Hold on. It should be it should be this one is the correct answer. Okay. Your answer is correct here. But one moment. I cannot edit the content. Okay. Wait, one moment. One moment, everyone. What happened to this lesson? Everything crashed. Okay. Hold on. Oh, it's not. It's not. Okay. Let's skip this for a while. Okay. Let's skip this for a while, class.
Ồ,
All right.
Hoàng
think-
tiếng Anh hả?
There's something with the answers. It's not, it's the answers are jumbled. Yeah, the answers are jumbled. Okay. So let's skip the vocabulary and phrasal verbs. But this one, okay, let's have the picture analysis. Okay. Let's have the picture analysis. Sorry about that one, class. Okay. So picture analysis, you're going to tell me what are you going to do if you encounter this situation. Okay, if you encounter this situation. Okay, let's start. Okay.
What will you do if you are in this situation? Oh, okay.
It's picture analysis. Okay, what will you do if you are in this situation? What will you do, class?
I will block. I will block the person who are angry with me in our this internet.
In the internet, in
I
social media?
will block. Block. Bye bye.
Is that your answer? You will block. By the way, can you explain to me, everyone, can you explain to me what is this situation? What is this?
Or this situation is in the internet, a
the
person who give you the a bad reaction
Mhm.
and hurt you by her by uh, their sound. I don't know. I don't know.
Okay. So if you
They say bad.
post,
They say bad. They say bad.
yeah, they said bad. Okay, in the internet. All right.
Oh,
So
Mary, where's Mary? No.
Mary is not around. Okay, so you are going to block. Okay, block people. Okay, or you say, I am going to block them in social media. I am going to block them in social media. Okay, there. Where is Mary? Mary?
No. She.
Mary is not around. Where is she?
Maybe she have a trouble with Zoom. Cross again.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Oh,
I will ask Mary later. Okay, this is you.
what
Okay.
you are in this? Oh, this situation is uh, this
What?
the last situation. Yeah. It's for Mary.
It's for you.
Or is
Mary
okay.
is not yet here. Mary is not yet here, so it's you.
The situation is a person or people have a bad a bad result of the exam.
Yes,
Right.
bad results.
Or in this situation, I will explain with my parents why I have a bad result, and I say sorry for them.
Yeah, that's correct. Okay, if you encounter this kind of situation, you will explain to your parents that you fail the exam. Okay, I will write here. Explain that you explain to your parents that you failed
The exam.
the exam. Okay, so that's your answer. Okay, Mary, this is your turn.
Đây là
Or
I will trả lại là cái gì nhỉ? Give I will give.
cô cứ nói tạm cái ví là bag, kiểu cái túi cũng được.
Không, ví dụ như cô sẽ trả lại cho người bị rơi ấy.
Or give back for
Không,
give back. Con nghĩ là từ đấy.
box each box. Không phải, chủ nhân gọi là cái
Give back.
Give back.
Give
Back.
Cô không có từ thì cô miêu tả được kiểu
I
give
will give person is
you can talk like that. If you don't know the vocabulary, you describe the action.
sorry, wait for me.
Okay, go ahead, Mary, you can do it. It's okay, Mary, you can do it.
Kiểu cô không biết từ thì cô cứ miêu tả thật nhiều hành động ấy.
It's fine. It's okay. Go ahead, Mary.
I will return it to the owner.
Okay, very good. Well done. You will return the wallet
to the owner.
to the owner.
What you say? What is this?
Trả lại cho người bị mất.
What is this bag name in English?
Wallet.
Oh, what? Oh, wallet. The bag hold money. Okay.
Yes, hold money. It holds money. By the way, what is wallet in Vietnamese?
Ví tiền.
Huh?
Ví.
Yes.
Ví.
Vietien. Mary, is this correct? Vietien?
Yes.
Vietien. Oh, okay. Vietien.
Okay.
Wallet is Vietien. Okay, so I'm going to give back the Vietien. Okay? Vietien. All right. Okay, next situation, class. Kim. Kim.
Okay, this is our situation. Some people, some students are cheating, right?
Yes, cheating.
See the exam of other students. So if I am a student who writing exam and the student next to me watch my exam, I will talk it to teacher.
Okay.
My friend is cheating me.
That's correct. Okay. You will say, you're going to tell teacher. Okay. Tell teacher that your seatmate, okay, seatmate is cheating. Okay. The person sitting beside you is your seatmate.
The
Okay,
person
remember.
learn in the class is classmate. Okay.
Yes. Okay, can you tell Mary also, but in Vietnamese?
Or bạn cùng bàn. Seatmate là bạn cùng bàn của mình ạ.
Ừ.
Okay, seatmate. All right, so
Bạn
you're
cùng
going.
bạn cùng bàn.
What is
Seatmate.
seatmate in
Seatmate.
Vietnamese?
Seatmate in Vietnam is bạn cùng bàn.
Ba. Vietien. Wallet. Ban kung ban. Ban kung ban. Okay, seatmate. Ban kung ban. Okay, thank you everyone. And this one is for Mary. Mary, this is you. What will you do?
I will help her clean saw house.
Clean the
Her
house.
house. Clean saw her
Ah,
house.
okay. The situation is you are busy with paper works. What will you do? You are busy with paper works.
Cô Bình ơi, ý của cái này tức là nếu như cô Bình mà bị kiểu cô đang là người bị bận rộn công việc ấy, chứ không phải là mình là cái người bước vào văn phòng.
Okay, go ahead.
Tức là ý là cô mà bận rộn như này cô sẽ làm gì?
Yeah.
I will praise may God stay me and God will help me.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so you're going to pray to God to help me.
Yes.
Is that correct? Is that correct,
Là
Mary?
gì?
Nó có đúng không? Cô.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, everyone. Thank you. So these are situations wherein we encounter daily. Okay? So this type of situation, you know
Ngoài chị
what
học.
to do. Okay? You are going to tell the teacher that somebody is cheating. And another, this situation, okay, you're going to return the VTN. Okay? Return
The
the
wallet.
VTN.
The wallet.
Okay, the wallet. And this one, okay, tell that you failed the exam. Okay, tell and say sorry that you failed the exam. And this one, if you encounter people who will bash. Okay, the term here, class, is bash. Wait, one moment. Bash. Okay, bash. Meaning they are, they, okay, people in social media are sending you, uh, let's say, harsh words. Okay, so we call that bash. Okay, people in social media is sending you harsh words, so bash. What will you do? Okay, Kim said, uh block them. Okay, block them. How about Mary?
Pray for them.
Okay, pray for them. Pray for them. Okay, and important is never reply. Okay, never reply. Never reply to people who are Mean. Okay. Mean means
Mean
bad.
is a bad person. Yes.
Bad. Okay.
Bad person.
Mean means bad. All right. In social media. Okay, class?
Okay.
Okay, thank you. At least you were able to express yourself. Okay, you're able to express yourself in English. All right. Now, let's proceed to the exciting part. Okay, let's have role play at the restaurant. Now,
Oh
who
no.
will be who will pose as cashier? Who will be cashier?
Huh? Curse?
Cashier or waiter or
Oh,
waitress?
waiter. Waiter.
Yeah, who will do that? Wait, one moment, class. Moment. Wait, okay, one moment. Allow me to check this first. Okay. Let me know if my screen is already showing. Okay. At the restaurant. Okay. Okay. Can you see teacher screen? Okay, day 6 at the restaurant. Okay, at the restaurant.
Restaurant.
So, who will be a customer and who will be the waiter? Who will be the waiter?
Cô mình có hiểu không?
Who will be the customer? Mary or Kim?
Yes.
Mary Bean, are you understand? Teacher
Ờ,
say.
tức là cô là khách hàng đúng không? Mary is a
Không,
customer.
ý là cô hỏi là ai muốn làm customer?
Customer.
À,
This one is waiter, waitress, waitress. Okay, this is Mary or Kim?
cái người áo sọc cái cô từ là gì nhỉ? Cô bảo là gì nhỉ?
Waiter, waitress.
Waiter.
Waiter. Okay,
Waiter.
waitress if
Waiter.
it's a girl.
Waitress.
Okay. Waitress if it is a girl. This one is a girl.
À, tức là người phục vụ nhưng mà lại là nữ.
Bồi
Girl.
bàn, cái từ đấy là bồi bàn nam là
Okay.
waiter, bồi bàn nữ là waitress.
Boy.
Waitress.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
All right. This
Customer.
one is a girl. Now, who will be waitress? Kim or Mary? In our role play. So Mary will be the customer. Mary, you will be the customer. Okay?
Okay.
Mary. And then Kim will be the waitress. Okay,
Okay.
Kim? Okay. All right. Let's have an example. Okay, one moment. Allow me to share, to proceed to another slide. Okay. Waiter and customer. All right. For example, Kim, let's do the role play, Kim. I will be the waiter. You will be the customer. Okay?
Okay.
Yes.
You will read the waiter. Mary, this is a sample, okay? Example. All right? So, Kim, I will be the waiter. You will be the customer. Okay? Okay. Hi, good evening. Welcome to Happy Noodles.
Good evening. Can I have a menu, please?
Oh, wait. Okay.
Menu.
Here you are. Here you
Hey.
are.
Thank you. I'd like some noodles and a glass of orange juice.
Sure. Anything else?
No, that's all.
Okay, here's your food. Enjoy.
Thank you very much. Nom, 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 nom.
Okay, Mary. So you
Yes.
ready? You ready?
Yes.
Okay. The waiter is Kim. You will be the customer. Do you have your Kim? Grab a paper. Grab a paper, something like this, or a book and a pencil. Okay, good, good, good. Okay, go ahead. Lights, camera, action.
Bây giờ là Kim làm waiter à?
Waiter,
Yeah.
go ahead,
wait,
waiter.
Good good evening, Miss. Good evening, Madam. Welcome to Funny Restaurant.
Good evening. Can I have a menu, please?
Here is your menu.
Thank you. I'd like some. I'd like some sandwich and a cup of tea.
Oh, sure. Anything else?
Anything else là cái gì nhỉ?
Còn gì nữa không?
And I want một chút là cái gì con?
A
I
little
want
bit.
hả?
A little bit.
A little bit sugar.
Okay. So here's your fruit and here's your sugar. I hope you enjoy it.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay.
Enjoy.
Okay, well done. Let's switch. Okay, class. Switch.
Wait a minute. I take battery for my computer.
Okay. Okay, we'll go to the bathroom. Okay. Let's switch. Mary, you switch. You will be the waiter. Kim will be the customer. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, you switch. All right. So you practice your line, your dialogue. Okay, there. Kim, you will be the customer, and Mary will be the waiter.
Yes.
Okay.
Good
Switch
evening.
roles.
Good evening. Can I help you?
Oh, good evening. Can you give me a menu?
Here you are.
Oh, thanks. Let I think. I think I like some rice and I also want to drink uh, uh, juice or what's yours? Oh, lemon juice. I think I like some rice and lemon juice.
Okay. Anything else?
Anything else?
Anything else?
No, I think it is enough.
Okay. Here is the food. Mình muốn chúc không?
Enjoy.
Joy.
Enjoy.
Oh, thank you very much.
Okay. Okay.
Well done, everyone. Okay. Okay, we're done with this. Let's have at the supermarket. Okay. Last was at the restaurant. This one is at the supermarket. Okay, class?
Okay.
Okay. Who will be the cashier? Who will be the cashier? Kim, cashier. Kim.
Yes.
Kim, you will be the cashier. Mary, you will be the customer, okay?
Yes.
And then after, you switch role. All right. Lights, camera, action.
Kim.
Hello,
Kim.
hello, madam. Can I help you?
Yes. Do you have coffee?
Oh, yes, we have a lot of coffee.
Great. I take 3. How much are they?
They are 100,000 Vietnam coins.
Oh, okay. Here you are.
Thank you. I hope you have a nice day.
You too.
All right. Okay, switch role. Mary, you will be the cashier. Kim, you will be the customer. Okay? Ready?
Okay.
Ready.
Hello, can I help you?
Hello. Can you give me some cheese?
What?
Cheese for my
Okay.
Cheese.
Yes, where is yes? It's over there.
Oh, awesome. I will take 5. How much are they?
They are 25 đồng. 25,000 đồng.
Okay, thank you about this.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Nice
You
day.
too.
Okay. All right. Well done, everyone. I'm so happy. You were able to you were able to you were able to create your own line. You were able to create your own words using English. Okay? So I think our role play is successful. It's very good. Okay? So, can you suggest another role play for next week? What will be our setting? Okay, we're done with what will be our setting? Okay, suggest. Okay, we are done with at the restaurant. Okay, and at the supermarket. Okay, can
Oh,
you suggest?
I
Suggest.
think the next week we can role play the the cinemas, the booth,
Mm.
buying ticket in cinema.
Okay, cinemas, buying ticket. Okay, Mary, can you suggest one?
What can I have can I speak again?
You
Okay.
suggest setting. Kim, you explain to Mary Kim.
Kiểu đề xuất cái mà bối cảnh để role play vào tuần tới.
Là mua vé hả? Mua vé tivi và xem
This,
phim.
this is my suggest. This is my suggest. Teacher asking your suggest.
Okay.
You.
I understand.
Okay. So you suggest.
You suggest. Which one? Pharmacy, at the hospital,
Đến
at
lượt
the
cô Bình đề xuất
school.
đi.
Sorry. I want we learn we learn chúng ta sẽ học gọi là in the bookstore.
Okay, at the bookstore.
Reading
Okay.
books at the bookstore. Okay.
Okay. So cinema and bookstore for next week. Okay, we will learn how to do role play. All right. Any questions, everyone? Do you have questions?
No, I don't have any questions.
You don't have questions? How about Mary? Do you have questions, Mary?
No, I don't know. I don't know question.
Maybe
Okay.
if Mr. Thì in here he have some questions, but he not here.
Okay. Since you don't have questions, it's time for our reading. Okay?
Okay.
Who will read first?
Rất nhiều từ
Okay,
mới cô
Kim.
không biết.
Okay, Kim, your turn, Kim.
Tom and his family are having Tom and his family are having dinner at a restaurant. There is a big menu on the table with many choices of food. Tom has a bowl of noodles and a glass of orange juice. His sister has rice with chicken, and his parents have soup and fish. The waiter is very friendly. There are 4 plates, flawed glasses, some chopstick on the table. Everyone is enjoying their meal together.
Okay, good. Ah, by the way, what is the setting in the story?
The
Setting.
setting in the story is a restaurant.
Okay, well
This
done.
a family go to eat together.
Okay, very good, Kim. Okay, Mary, your turn.
Đọc lại. Anna and her friends are standing at the zoo tickets both. Tickets both. There is a booth. There is a long line of people waiting to buy tickets. Anna has some money in her bag, but her friend already has tickets. There are many children with their parents, and they are excited to see the animals. Behind the booth, there is a big sign
Big sign.
with the ticket price. The zoo looked busy, but everyone is smiling because they are ready for a fun day.
All right. Thank you, Mary. So where is the setting? Setting, where is the place?
What's the
The place
um
is
setting setting
at the where? Where is the place?
at the zoo.
At the zoo. Very good. Okay. So Anna and her friend went to the zoo. Okay. And the zoo looks very busy because there are a lot of people. Okay. They are excited to see the animals. Okay. So, um, that's all for our lesson this afternoon. And next week, Monday, okay, I will send you your assignment and I will check your assignment. The one that you send in the group chat, I will send it to you. Okay, class?
Can you
Mm.
can you write uh, the reading the reading text? I want to question.
Okay, sure. One moment. Which one? This?
Uh, yeah.
Okay.
Then I don't know I don't understand this sentence behind the book. There's a big sign with the ticket price.
Okay. Behind the booth, wait. Behind the booth, there is a big sign with a ticket price. I will draw it for you. Okay, for example, this is the ticketing officer. Okay, this is the ticket. Okay, this is the table. Okay, this is the table.
Table.
Okay, sorry.
Okay.
Okay, ticket booth, table. And then at the back, you have
Oh, behind
okay,
is
behind
after
the
a
booth.
person. Okay.
Let's say, for example, 4,000. Let's say 4,000 Vietnamese dong. Okay.
Oh,
Per
price.
ticket.
A
Bảng
price.
giá vé đúng không?
Oh, okay, bảng giá.
Kiểu như bảng giá.
Yes.
Okay, what's that? Per ticket.
Okay.
All
495
right.
đồng mỗi vé.
Okay. Any
Okay, I understand.
questions? How about Mary? Questions?
No question, teacher.
No questions. Okay, did you learn something today? Did you learn something?
In
Học về
today we learn about
setting for
Role play. We'll learn role
I
play.
think we review the last lesson and
It crashed.
yes, and
It crashed.
try to role play, learn
Mm.
how to communication in some situation, in some setting.
That's correct. Okay. Questions, Mary?
No, she don't have questions.
Okay, she don't have questions. And I don't have questions too, but I will give you your I will give you your assignment. Oh, by the way, Vivienne, okay? Take care of your Vitian. Vitian. Take care of your Vitian. Vivian.
Yes.
Okay? Take care of your Vitian. Okay, everyone. Let's have a picture before we say goodbye. Okay? Let's have a picture on my count in 3, 2, 1.
Teacher, sorry teacher.
Okay.
I speak English not well, but I will try.
Yeah, you're good.
I will try.
I will try. Learn very good. I speak English and I reading not well.
It's okay. It's okay. It
Yes,
doesn't matter. That's why we are here. Okay? We will
Yes.
learn English together. Okay?
Yes, thank you,
Yes.
teacher.
Yeah. Teacher is here to help everyone. Okay. Oh, I was not able to get the picture. Okay, let's do the picture. Okay, Waki. Okay, on my count in 3, 2. Wait. Tue is here. Tue is here.
Teacher,
Okay.
Mr. Thủy stay here, but he don't learn. He back. Leo.
Okay, let's take a picture.
Say Leo with Mr. Thủy. Leo.
Okay, let's take a picture. Okay, class. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay. Well done, everyone. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you,
today.
teacher. Bye bye.
See you.
See you next week.
See you next
week.
Enjoy your weekend. Okay? Weekend. Enjoy your weekend.
Yes, thank
Kim.
you.
Kim, sorry. Kim, one moment. Send me the recordings. Send me the recording class. Okay?
I don't recording. I don't know.
Oh, Tue, you send me the recordings. The record. Class record.
Tức là có ghi lại không ấy?
The video record.
Có một ai đó đã ghi rồi. Chắc là Philip ghi. Maybe Philip teacher Philip.
We'll upload the YouTube channel in YouTube. Okay. Tue. Okay.
Chắc là teacher Philip đã ghi rồi. Bye bye teacher. See you next week.
Bye.
God bless you.
Bye.
God bless
God bless
everyone. Bye.
you.